This is my little beast. I love it to bits. I'll probably only have it for the next 6 months. So I'll take you for a drive on it. I don't get many opportunities to take it out anymore, really. I'll try and make it a silent drive for you. So we're in Cooper mode. Into drive. Parking brake is off. The weather's actually made a turn for the worst, actually. It's not that good at the minute. I've owned this car for over 2 years. It's an absolute beast of a car. But I'm a pretty casual driver, really. I don't thrash around in it, never have done. So enjoy, guys, enjoy. As I take you through some of the Nottinghamshire roads. If you're new to the channel and you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe, that would be absolutely fantastic. I'm car obsessed, I'm vehicle obsessed, and I will try and bring you on as much content around vehicles and gaming as possible, as I'm also an avid gamer. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm in Cooper mode at the moment, but I'm going to take it out of Cooper mode because it really stiffens the suspension up quite firm. And currently we're driving through villages and stuff, so yeah, I'll just flick it back onto comfort mode. The problem is, where I live, is there's low speed limits literally everywhere, and it's crazy just how keen they are. You can't, I mean, I know the speed limit's the speed limit, but between Christmas and New Year I got done speeding on a road when there was nobody about, no traffic. They put the camera just in front of the 40 zone, and I was doing 34, and I had to attend a course, got fined. And that's just how it goes in this country, I'm afraid. They're very keen on it. In fact, that vehicle up front might actually be a camera van. I think it is, you know. Oh, it might be an ambulance, actually. So we're entering the village of Papwick. Setting up roadworks on Papwick here. So I'll time that right. Just before the roadworks start. So yeah, amazing car. I'd highly recommend it. This car will be going in the next probably 6 months, and someone is going to get a very well looked after car with low mileage. Someone's going to be very lucky. So I've really looked after this car. Not driven it like a lunatic, just driven it sensibly. So someone's going to get a right bargain. I'm moving on to the next car. Will be a hybrid. Unfortunately, I've got to do it because I just need to save money on fuel. And also, I run another channel where I do a lot of geocaching, and I could do with something that's a bit more raised up off the ground. In front's an ambulance, actually. I switch stop start off because I don't particularly like it in this car. It actually drives me mad, to be honest. I'd say the one thing I don't like about the car is the stop-start technology. Got a little dinky police car in front of us. Mate, you could have gone then. Go, go, go. So let's see what the fuel price is at this BP garage down here. I went to Tesco's yesterday and it was actually more money at Tesco's than it was at this garage. So let's see what we're on today. Yeah, it's still less. So it's 189.9 for regular unleaded and 197.9 for diesel. That's pounds per litre, by the way, everyone. So at the time of this recording. Now at Tesco's I paid $1.91 for regular unleaded yesterday. I was absolutely gobsmacked at the price. It's actually cheaper at this garage than at a supermarket. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now this is a 50-mile-an-hour speed limit road, and if you're from America, these yellow cameras here that you can see above me, if you can see it, they're average speed cameras. So they measure your speed over a distance between camera and camera, and they're all the way down this road. If you go over it, you get fined. That's why that man probably keeps braking in the Porsche. Because there's the next one. But it's actually an average speed camera, and it catches you from behind there, and it records you to the next camera. So it you might as well just spend all your time just doing 50 on cruise control, because you're going to get fined otherwise. So what we'll do, guys, we'll keep driving up here, and I would normally go up that road there, but I'm going to go straight on and turn off the next road. This generally is a busy road from Nottingham. I hope this video comes across okay, because it's the first time I've done it this way. If you watched this far, thank you very much. I do appreciate you sticking with me. Massively appreciate it. Don't forget, guys, to do your MyDrive 2022 upload. So if you've got a car that you're proud of, make a video, show me your car, hashtag MyDrive 2022, and I'll add it to the playlist for everyone to enjoy. I need to be so careful here because this is a merging lane. So massive thank you to Aid Reeves for doing his, and a massive thank you to JJ Drones for doing his. Both absolutely amazing. Okay guys, now we're turning off up the hill. It's raining again. Ooh. Awful weather, guys, to do this video. I planned it to do this as well today. To do this upload today. Getting some pops and bangs out the bike. And that's it, guys. We're now back in the 30 zone. So that's it, guys. I'm going to stop it now. I hope you enjoyed this little fun ride. I just wanted to show you what the car's all about, really. So I'll stop now, guys, and I'll end it there. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again soon for the next one. Thank you and goodbye.